Understanding battery type in English. Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase battery type. This is a commonly used term, especially in discussions about electronics, energy sources, and everyday devices. Let's dive into what this phrase means and how it's used in various contexts. Battery type refers to the specific kind of battery being talked about. Batteries come in many forms and are made using different materials and technologies. When we talk about battery types, we're often referring to their chemical composition, size, and intended use. For example, you might hear about alkaline batteries, lithium-ion batteries for smartphones, or lead-acid batteries for cars. In this section, we'll look at a few common battery types. 1. Alkaline batteries. These are disposable batteries used in remote controls, clocks, and toys. 2. Lithium-ion batteries. Rechargeable and found in laptops, smartphones, and electric cars. 3. Nickel-cadmium batteries. Older rechargeable type, used in power tools and emergency lighting. Each type has its unique properties and suitable applications. Understanding different battery types is crucial because it affects the performance and lifespan of your device. Some devices require specific battery types for optimal functioning. Environmental considerations, disposal and recycling methods vary by battery type. Here are some tips when selecting a battery. Always check the device's requirements. Consider rechargeable batteries for frequently used devices. For long-term storage, alkaline batteries are a good choice. That's a wrap on our exploration of battery type. We hope this video has illuminated the different types of batteries and their uses. Remember, the right battery can make a big difference in how your devices perform. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.